Happy New Year to you all. It's Richard here from Williams Crawford. Just here with Graham at the moment in restoration, who's rebuilding some carburetors on this beautiful early Aston Martin that's in the shop at the moment. So plenty on, as you can see. Paul, fabricator, walking the other way. Little focused track Ferrari there that we're doing some improvements on. But I thought I'd give you an update on the Group 4 car. So, starting from the front, fuel tank all installed. So that fits fairly tight underneath the bonnet, as you can see. But beautiful purpose-built fuel cell, giving us loads of room in the front. The double feed bottles there for the braking system inside, all mounted. So very much underneath there, coming along nicely. Installed is the oil system, so you can clearly see at this height, oil tank in the back, fuel lines running to the thermostat, and then up the outer seal. Because it's a tarmac car, not as necessary to run those inside through the tunnel. And that runs all the way through to the oil cooler mounted in the front wing. The arches have now been fitted correctly. They've been riv nutted on. Nice seal between them and the wings. So all four of them mounted on nicely. Inside, so the fire system is now complete. So what we have to run is a pre-plumbed in fire system. So a mounted extinguisher there, I think they're about 3.5 litres. You feed the engine bay with a couple of nozzles, and then hopefully I can get it, but up underneath the dash, oh goodness, the camera work isn't that good, but underneath the dash there are the nozzles both sides, so to protect the driver and the navigator. Also inside, hydraulic handbrake fitted, and we've actually mocked up the seats this week so that we feel comfortable in the car. I know he won't mind me telling you, but my co-driver Tim is a little bit long in the leg, so we've got that seat well back, making sure that he's got plenty of room. Rear bumper all installed, rear brakes, rear lamps, and also engine and gearbox installed. So we are all plumbed in. Underneath you can see race exhaust manifolds, all the oil lines, etc. So we are getting close to startup. We're actually just waiting for a couple of flanges on the gearbox before we can start it. Our under trays are here now, so these are skid pans. One on the rear protects the engine and the gearbox, and the front one obviously protecting the steering rack and suspension. So still plenty of progress, still plenty to do, but we are getting there. Still very determined to get it completed and start the road testing at the end of this month. So plenty of focus required. Thank you very much for watching.